The spoilers for My Hero Academia chapter 296 is out and this is simply brutal. I don't even have words to describe what exactly is going on here because this is the aftermath of the war which claimed the lives of a lot of different people. And of course, this video will contain massive spoilers for the anime only viewers. You have been warned. So hello and welcome to UnderYZ. My name is Soham and today we are going to talk about My Hero Academia chapter 296 because we have some major early spoilers for this particular chapter and we need to talk about this. But before that, if you're new here, then please consider subscribing to the channel since I do weekly anime and manga related content. We are also trying to hit 5,000 subscribers by the end of 2020, so a like and sub would be massively appreciated. With that being said, let's begin the video. Now the chapter basically begins with Ochako and Froppy who are trying their best to save the people who are trapped in the falling debris and everything, and this is basically the aftermath of the war and everything is just in a total state of chaos and destruction. This war has claimed the lives of so many different people and this is totally at a chaos. Moreover, you can understand that this war is a loss from the point of view of the heroes because there is one particular hero who is outright telling it that let's just stop it now and we have to stop doing this hero business from here on. We need to take up a new job. They have basically lost all hopes in the hero society, and this is not even just the general public, but rather this is a certified pro hero who is talking about all of this. This war has taken the toll on so many different people at so many different levels, so many lives were claimed and so many people have been traumatized forever possibly. Not only that, there are a lot of different people who are talking about possibly moving out of the town or even going overseas, but because of financial issues they probably won't be able to do so. Moreover, we also have some very meaningful flashbacks here with possibly the same kindergarten kids who had initially cheered up on Endeavor, and these panels will obviously hurt us in this particular scenario. Moreover, I do not have the proper translations for all of these leaks so far, so I cannot say for 100% fact that what exactly is going on here, but from what I have known, it just seems like some of the major players of the paranormal society have been caught by the police, namely Gigantomachia, Getten, Redestro, etc. But other than that, most of the high-ranking officials and Shigaraki and company have managed to escape from the grasp of the police, and this is simply adding salt to the injury. Moreover, there's a lot of deaths that is going on in this particular chapter because the next couple of chapters are going to focus upon this particular aspect even more, because that is pretty much evident from the title of the next chapter as well. But before proceeding that far, we need to talk about what exactly is going on here, because in the leaks we can see this heart-wrenching, absolutely heart-wrenching panel of Kirishima and Mina just crying out because yes, Midnight has actually died. She has been decayed by the wave of destruction of Shigaraki and only her sunglasses or only her glasses remain. This is totally devastating, and not just Midnight, a lot of top heroes have also died in the process, and this is simply, I don't know, I'm just speechless at this moment. We all knew that something major like this was about to come. We all knew that this particular war was going to have its long-lasting consequences, but I guess no one was actually prepared for a death like this. The death of Midnight will obviously affect a lot of people, but I think the most affected person would obviously be Aizawa and Present Mic because they are once again going to lose one of their high school friends, and this is simply getting sad chapter by chapter. Moreover, I again do not know what exactly is going on here, but it seems like both Deku and Endeavor are seriously injured, with the implication being that Deku has probably lost one of his arm. I cannot say for sure that what exactly is going on here because I do not have the translations yet, but it does seem like something grave has happened to both of these characters, and of course Todoroki and Bakugo are also injured as well. And it seems like Gran Torino is going to get a treatment similar to Night Eye and he's about to die. He's not dead yet, but he's about to die in the next couple of chapters after a possible visit of All Might as well. It will be very interesting to see what is the reaction of All Might after all of this. Moreover, the ending of this particular chapter is also ominous as hell because we see All For One who is basically saying that he is now taking over the body of Shigaraki. So there you go, this war was a total loss for the side of the heroes and it's just a total mess. But anyway, these are all the leaks that we have got so far from My Hero Academia chapter 296. What do you guys think about all of this? Please mention your thoughts in the comment section below. So that's it for today guys, thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more. This is UnderYZ and I'll see you soon on the next video.